Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a smoothie in a blender. To begin, gather all your ingredients. You'll need your favorite fruits and vegetables, a liquid base like milk or juice, and any optional add-ins such as protein powder or seeds. Make sure everything is fresh and ready to go. Also, have your blender, measuring cups, and a serving glass close by. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy blending experience. Now that your ingredients are gathered, it's time for preparation. Thoroughly wash all your fruits and vegetables under cool, running water. For larger items like bananas or apples, peel them and chop into manageable 1-inch to 2-inch pieces. Remember to remove any unwanted seeds, pits, or tough stems. Proper preparation helps your blender work efficiently and ensures a smooth texture. With your ingredients prepped, let's blend. First, pour your liquid base into the blender. Next, add softer ingredients like spinach or berries, followed by harder items such as ice or frozen fruit. Secure the lid tightly. Start blending on a low setting, then gradually increase the speed. Continue blending for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until your smoothie is perfectly smooth and creamy. Congratulations, your delicious homemade smoothie is ready. Carefully pour the smoothie from the blender into your favorite tall glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a fresh fruit slice, a few berries, or a sprinkle of chia seeds. Remember, smoothies are best enjoyed immediately to savor their fresh taste and nutritional benefits. Cheers to your healthy creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.